Ladies and gentlemen, in a few seconds, we will be live on live stream from Iligan City National High School. Please stand by.
Okay, so good afternoon once again and welcome to our updates for Iligan City Athletic Association or Division Meet 2026. Okay, so this is Kim Gan, inyong higalang alagan to give us update for this day 2 sa atong Division Meet 2026. Okay, so before we announce now the latest update for the different event sa ato ang Division Meet, so before good afternoon no sa tanan mga viewers nato karon. We are live now. There is Radio City High. Okay, so once again, good afternoon. So di nato padugay-dugayan pa. We will give you an update sa event Sepak Takraw Elementary Boys. Okay, for their Game 1, North Red Fox versus Sky Ravens. Of course, a winner, North Red Fox. Okay, congratulations for that is for Game 1, Sepak Takraw Elementary Boys. For Game 2, we have Western Dragon versus Thunderhawks. Winner, we have Western Dragon. For our Game 3, mga higala, the District North Red Fox versus City Central the Trail Blazers. Winner, North Red Fox. For Game 4 for Sepak Takraw Elementary Boys, we have Sky Ravens versus Thunderhawks. Winner, Sky Raven. For our game, Game 5, our district Western Dragons versus City Central the Trail Blazer. Winner, we have Western Dragon. Okay, no, that was a Sepak Takraw Elementary Boys result as of 2:38 p.m. Now let's proceed for Sepak Takraw team event Secondary Boys. Game 1, East Sky Ravens versus City Central the Trail Blazers. Winner, East Sky Raven. Congratulations. For our Game 2, Western Dragons versus North Red Fox. Winner, Western Dragons. Wow. So proceed for our Game 3, South Thunderhawks versus East Sky Ravens. Winner, East Sky Ravens. Congratulations. For our Game 4 sa ato ang Sepak Takraw team event. Again, take note, team event for Sepak Takraw Secondary Boys. Game 4, City Central Trail Blazers versus South Thunderhawks. Winners, City Central the Trail Blazers. And of course, we have here crossover match Game 5. Again, crossover match Game 5, East Sky Ravens versus North Red Fox. Winner, Sky or East Sky Raven. Congratulations. For our crossover match Game 6, we have City Central the Trail Blazers versus Western Dragons. Winner, Western Dragons. Congratulations. Okay, so again, that was a Sepak Takraw team event Secondary Boys. Yes, now let's proceed sa another event, ang ato ang football event. Okay, now let's proceed sa atong football event elementary category boys. The first game, District North versus South. Score is 0-0, so nag-draw sila. Okay, for that is Game 1. So proceed for Game 2. We have, this is private school ACAPES versus Western District West. Of course, we have 0-7. Winner, West. For Game 3, District East versus City Central. Score is 1-2. Result or winner, Central or City Central. For our game 4 for football elementary boys, we have North versus Acapes or ICA Acapes. Yes, Acapes. The score is 7-0. Winner, North District. For our game 5, South versus East. The score is 3-0. Winner, South. For our game 7, Acapes versus East. 0-4. Again, score 0-4. Result or winner, East District. And of course, game 8, South versus Central or City Central. The score is 3-0. Result or winner, District or South District. Again, congratulations to football elementary boys category. Okay, so now let's pause for a while for the updates sa ato ang mga events. So we have here right now usa sa ato ang mga athletes so for volleyball. Yes, walay dadapig-dapig estudyante po na mo from Maria Cristina National High School. So we have here right now, introduce yourself. Hi.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Janine L. Macaampaw.
Yes, from again, unsang nga skulahan and
Maria Cristina National High School.
district
Western Dragons.
Western Dragons. Okay, ang pangutana, first question. So naman kita karon so magsastorya sa to kuan kay bago pa man ka nagdula ganina, di ba?
Yes.
So at least ma-relax mo. So how's your dula ka ganina? Ang yung dula
Kuan
kamusta
siya,
man?
kanang pulba, pero kuan lang kanang hindi mo ipaano yung kulba para makasabay sa mga kalaban.
So unsa nga district ito inyong kontra ganina?
Kuan man to siya Lasal ICAPESS.
Okay, so private schools, di ba? Acapes, okay. Now, ang pangutana karon is nakadaog mo, di ba? Sakto?
Yes.
So you are fighting for
Champion.
champion. Okay. So now, while manamos yung dula, so nagdula po the door, right?
Yes.
For unsa to siya nga kuan karon?
Fighting for third.
For third place or bronze, di ba? Sakto? Okay, now ang pangutana is unsa man ang inyong preparation, and I believe naka-witness jud ko personally sa inyo sa inyong mga kasakit kakapoy ang mga singot. So aside from mga makita o nakita na mo sa inyo nga mga sakripisyo, unsa pa may yung mga sacrifices or trainings nga wala pa na mo nakita, can you please share to us?
Ano siya, kanang kapoy siya, pero kanang need na to mag-sacrifice kay i-represent man nato atong school ang Western Dragons volleyball.
Okay. So not only the school but the district now.
Yes.
But if given a chance, puhon because ang ato ang regional meet or NMRA 2026 is fast approaching and doon naman yun this coming March, Lisod po, kinsa gud ganahan mo adto og regional, di ba? So excited na ba if given a chance na makasulod ang team sa Western Dragon
Oo yung kay daga man good graduating karon na year.
sa school?
Yes.
Okay, and I believe, di ba, the Western Dragon is different schools, so di ba, unsa ito ng mga schools pa gani? Aside from Maria Cristina National High School, unsa pa ito nga school ang nag-participate sa volleyball sa Western Dragon?
North?
Raquel? North?
Ay, wala.
No, what I mean is sa inyong team, nabay taga fisheries, nasa goal,
Fisheries.
fisheries, pila sila kabuok? Dua sila kabuok, okay. Now, sige, gusto magyud ta makasulod, di ba? Hopefully, and we're praying for that, Angkol ba, we know, ang atom yung, ang inyo yung, let's mention you direct, unsa nga school or district ang murag, kuhan sa inyo ang murag, sana, lisod ninyo, ikon, or inyong, sa taga na, matubang ninyo karon sa championship. City High. So excited na mo, di ba? Sa City High. Yes, of course, So inyo man ang mga friends, di ba? And of course, we represent not only for the district, if given a chance, we will pick Mangyud to represent our division paingon sa region, Excited na jud kay mo ana. So unsa pa may mga other shares ninyo o pasalamatan?
Among coach kay
Kisa inyo coach gani aside ni Kasi yung, ano sa name sa yung ko? Si Ma'am,
Ma'am Candice Pestolante, tapos si Sir RB Pestolante.
ang mag-asawa yun. No, we will dedicated you guys sila. Yes, yes. So, what else?
Among mga pamilya nga naga-support.
While you're playing kaganina and yesterday, di ba, na witness yun na to, na ba yung mga parents or friends na nag-support sa inyo physically?
Daghan friends na ng family na mo uban kay busy.
Busy, no? But that's good also for this kind of medium na to na online, no? Live diri sa City High, Radio City High, because we, if yesterday, no, na coverage man pud to yesterday, so maka-monitor yun sila sa mga updates and mga nakadaog, di ba? Yes, dapat mga video, social medias nga makita gyud inyohang mga dula. So again, congratulations. So now, excited na kayo mo for fighting for champion sa City High.
Oo,
Tawa.
kay wala mong good choice, laban mo gyud ta.
Yes, so excited, no? So we're praying, no, personally, we as teachers and your kwan good friends diri sa to ang event or sa what you call that one sa sports, no, we're praying na you have enjoy safety lang yun. Sama pag-ingon ni Ma'am Amy yesterday, no, before you play sa ito Ma'am Aim, pray. Maging importante sa first and foremost, pray good all the time. So maging ay buhaton, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so again, congratulations and God bless sa inyong dula later with City High.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so thank you so much. Ato ang guest karon na athlete from Maria Cristina National High School. Okay, so babay sa imong mga friends. Basig na kay shout out or ikuan nimo diya.
Kwan. Hi sa akong pamilya.
Oh, kind of special someone. Yeah.
Allah.
Oh, na ba Ma'am Aim? Okay, lagi no. Sige, ayaw na ulaw-ulaw. Kita-kita raman diri upat raman ta. Sige. So, special someone.
Kwan. Sa mo.
Alam mo storya gyud ay siya. Sige. Di maulaw.
Hala, uy.
Nagiubo na nung ko. Sige. What else?
Pasalamat mi sa mga coach, then sa mga pamilya, then tanan naga-support among friends, and ang teammates nga, unta, magkasinabdahan mi onya, and communicate lang.
Yes, communication good is ang importante sa tanan, no?
Yes.
Nga para for this kind of which is team sports man gyud siya, di ba? Di gyud siya mahimo nga ikaw ang maayo ang uban dili, so kamo gyud tanan maayo. The good communication good para to achieve
Yes,
your goal, to win. Now, of course, but balik ko nako, pray before you play. Mo gyud na for safety purposes. Okay, and guidance. So once again, thank you so much, no, sa
Thank you po,
pagbisita
sir.
diri sa ato karon sa Radio City High. Okay, so now, thank you once again. So, di na to dugayon. So, we proceed now for another update sa ato ang event, no? For earlier, we announced the football elementary boys. Karon, we will announce or give you an update, mga higala sa tuang football secondary boys. For game 1, we have here Central versus East District. Score 10-0. Winner, Central. For game 2, again football siya, secondary boys. Acapes versus North District. Score 0-1. Winner, North District. For game 3, Acapes versus West District. Score, we have 4-1. Winner, Acapes. And next, game 4. Excuse me. Game 4, we have North versus East. Score is 8-0. Winner, North District. For game 5, we have City Central versus West District. Score 12-0. Winners, Central District. Game 6, Acapes versus East District. Score, we have a 10-0. Winner, ICAPESS, Acapes. And now, game 7, Central versus North. 2-0. Winner, Central District. And lastly, West District versus East. 5-0. Winner, West District. Okay. So, congratulations to all our winners. So, they will fight for another game, no? So, we will wait for another updates for the football o ang secondary boys event. So, now we will proceed. No, this is official result for our team event sa tuang Espada y Daga event. I think sa Arnis ni. Yes. This is the final and official result for Arnis game Espada y Daga category event for secondary boys. First bronze medal, we have Western Dragons. Congratulations, Western Dragons. Player Mark Aljon B. Pacana or Pacanya. Coach Ma'am Marily Rose T. Garcia. Congratulations, ma'am. For our silver District North Red Fox, congratulations, player Rogelio D. Oreo. Kalisod ba sa pangalan? Okay, and coach, we have Ma'am Jasmine B. Mangorse. And next, we proceed for the gold medalist for the Espada y Daga secondary boys. Gold medal, we have District City Central player Michael David M. Salang, coach Ma'am Ellen B. Cinco. Congratulations to all our medalists for bronze, silver, and gold. Okay, I think more natay another guest. Okay, so let's more si Ma'am Aim. Okay, let's proceed for game Espada y Daga secondary girls. Kaganina is boys. So now we proceed sa atong official result for Arnis bronze medalist secondary girls. So aso tong sa ni ma'am no ato sa ni ko. Yeah, okay. For bronze medalist South Thunderhawks and our unsa ni siya player Jonah May Nicor, coach Ma'am Michelle T. Cortez. For silver District Western Dragons, player Princess Jane Rabanes, coach Sir Paul Anthony Yambot. And of course, our gold medalist for secondary boys Espada y Daga City Central District, player Razel Angel how to pronounce that? Leorag, coach Sir Joseph T. Cinco. Wow, again congratulations to all our winners, you know. So bay-ubay pa niya itong updates mga higala, no. So naman to si ma'am, among very special guest good kay karon. Yeah, very special guest. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, hello. Good
Hi,
afternoon.
Ma'am Amy, our assistant chief
Yes.
from SGOD, no?
And we're back, Sir
Yeah,
Kim.
yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, sa
Yes.
atong day 2, how are you? Ang beauty na to diya, ma'am. Okay pa ba? Still
Yes.
beautiful.
Ako yung i-post sa ako ang my day is survived and try again. At survive today and try again tomorrow.
Wow. So,
no? So
ana ra gyud always.
one task at a time good daan ni.
Yes, ana good, ma'am. No? Pero one task
Yes,
multitasking gyapon.
multitasking. Actually,
Yes.
multitasking.
Pero kaya, ma'am, no? Abi pa lang, ma'am, no?
Of course.
That's why
Pabiyata ka na.
iliganon. Unsa man, ma'am?
Kanang ligon og masaligan.
Yes, ligon. Bahala pag unsa ligon gyud ta, ma'am, no?
Tama.
Muulan, mo baha, mo init, ligon gyapon.
Exactly.
Okay, ma'am. So, how is your unsa may tawag na, ma'am, ha?
Unsa man?
Any event after this one on mga kabara, I think busy jud kay ka, ma'am, no? Unsa may mga
yes.
Mugawas at sa kaninga ko, how's your day today? Ana.
Early morning, we visited the billiards competition, and then followed by the volleyball. No, I love magina kong volleyball because
Yes,
of
sakit
my
ang jud ganina dadto, ma'am.
yes,
No,
because
grabe.
of my
Seryoso
previous
jud kayo.
because of my previous event as
Yes.
coach no sa volleyball. Namagid dito akong heart kay nagid ako mga jewels ako mga
Mga
volleyballs.
babies ni mo
ako
dadto,
mga bata. And the Arnis team as well. So we will be also visiting later the gymnastics event.
Sa Lasal
And
Academy.
Lasal
right?
Academy. And tomorrow will be dance sports competition.
Yes, 1 p.m.
Yeah. And we would like also to inform Sir Kim that tomorrow the division will be having the division stakeholders convergence.
Okay.
We will be awarding our partners of the division of Iligan City, the whole learning community, their support, their help to the division. So we will be recognizing them tomorrow at Riverview Fav Cafe.
Okay. So grabe yung kabisi gyud ang kwan ma'am no.
Ano,
DepEd
nagiging-
iligan ma'am no.
Yes.
So murag vitamins, we need vitamins gyud ma'am no. So aside
Shout out no sa mga basig na yung mga sponsor bitaw.
Yes, yes.
Basin pwede mo matag sa mo yung mga immunoprone.
No, kana gyud no. Mercury
Enervon,
Mga
Beroka.
Enervon, yes.
Ana.
So ana na lang gyud. So unsa na lang gyud ang love life ma'am?
Ay, nagi mga segue ko ngayon, ani, no?
Love life and so narabat yung mga kapulisan na to ma'am no.
Ay, ala.
Agay.
Ko ginato on air ginato.
Sorry. Hi mga sirs, hi sa mga idol na to. Thank you so much.
Nagpasalamat mi sa
Yes.
sa security, no, sa police visibility again, sa police, no, kay
Yes, our
everything
PNP.
na agad sila ga-standby at
Yes.
all times, then they are already on call, Sir Kim, no? Kung
Yes.
unsay mga kuan, because dili man gid ato makuan ang mga kuan, ang mga games kanay mga crucial nga games or nay mga different visitors, guests coming from different outside, no,
Yes.
outside City High and outside Iligan City. So they are there to secure our safety naman, and the DRR and the medical
Ang
team.
medical team, yes. So makita
Yes.
you know earlier ganyan kita yun ako ganina ang PNP mga police good nga standby good sa gates
tama.
outside. So at least sigurado good secured all the time.
Oh, secured gud ta oy.
Yes.
Kuan gid na siya sige na secured sa na safety is our priority.
Priority,
Ana.
no? Mao gyud na siya. Okay, so
Yes, ay shoutout po na
additional,
ako
ma'am.
ang principal sa City High, Sir Richard
Sir
Talay,
Talay.
for accommodating everyone. Almost of the games are here at City High.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Sir Richard. The school is very prepared for the division meet, and we thank you for your leadership and the rest of the ISNHS learning community.
Yes, so again, thank you so much. No question good sir. Basta inanig yun ang mga events, City High yun na. Thank you so much.
Yes, so
No.
di na ako concert, Kim, kaya na po yung virtual meeting. Thank
Yes,
you.
multitasking yun. Say, sir,
Multitasking.
sir naman. Ma'am, thank you so much sa pagbisita. And
Good luck
sa
and God bless sa itong mga remaining mga events. I
Events,
believe na
yes.
kahinahinay na uguman ang mga events,
Yes,
especially mga individual events. So tomorrow, we do have a lot of games for another sporting events.
Yeah, so let's pray for the remaining days to be successful and safety all the time. And hopefully atong mga bata is nag-enjoy good sila. They will learn
Exactly.
about these experiences.
And Sir Kim, amo lang i-clarify kay there are some issues that ang budget daw sa sports is 23 million. So that's true, 23 million, but it's the whole school year budget. But for division meet, we do have only 5.3 million budget for division meet. So the 23 million, that includes division meet, regional meet, palarong pambansa, and international events.
Yeah, so klaro no. So those million na ato ang nasa unahon na, it's not
Yes,
only for
yes,
division
yes,
meet.
yes.
Di-divide na into different events na to sa sports.
Yes,
diri sa
because
Iligan.
we will prepare a lot for regional meet, Sir Kim, because that's the ultimate performance of our division.
And mo na yung pinakadako nga need of budget.
Yes, Sir Kim.
Na witness gyud nato na.
Yes. So I hope everyone is being informed that the 23 million is not just for division meet,
Yes, exactly.
but for the whole sporting events of the whole school year, including the international events.
Okay, so that's clear ha. Very clear explanation na mo to siya no kay money ra ba grabe kay nit and
Yes, kay basi
very
nadungog
clear.
man nila gahapon nga na 23 million
yes,
for
yes.
sports events. Basi nagtuo sila atong mga kuan, mga parents or the community that
yes.
the 23 million is for division meet. No, it's just 5.3 million for the division meet.
Sa alone 5.3
Yes,
million
that
alone
includes
for division.
the
Yeah.
uniform, the complete uniform of our athletes, the
Yes.
meals, the equipment and everything.
Okay, so that's clear now. Again, ma'am, thank you so
Thank
much
you
for
very
that.
much. God
Sige.
bless
God bless us all.
everyone.
Iligan team. God bless us all. Okay, so that's clear now for all of us. At least na clear good na to coming from our Assistant Chief, Ma'am Aimee Pareño from SGOD. Okay, so now we proceed for another guest, no? To para mahimama at least napugoy kauban diri no kay murag ako ra gyud isa diri sir. So, we will proceed sa another updates. Okay, sige. So, ahanap ko ito, event number 10 for our NIS, no? This is official result. Okay, team event. So, ato sa niko no, Espada Idaga Elementary Boys, no? So, we proceed for event number 10, bronze medalist. We have South Thunderhawks player Giancarlo Rosajos, coach Ma'am Rowena Macaliag. We have silver medalist City Central and player Tristan A. Tagubar, coach Ma'am Riza Rose Padayaw, And of course, the gold medalist, we have North Red Fox. Okay, congratulations to player Jan Can Daniel, coach Jorilyn Rosanabe. Congratulations for our event number 10, Elementary Boys, Espada Idaga. Okay, so now I think ready na atong special guest, no? Sige. Okay, come here. So, kani siya maayo, yun siya, no? Ako yun yung nakita. Sige, good afternoon. Sige, so can you please introduce yourself? Ikaw na dapat ma-introduce. Okay, we have here right now our guest.
Lakbakan.
Yes, pakpak.
Hello everyone, ako day si Excel 390 Yaranon, 19 years old. An alumni here in Iligan City National High School.
Okay. Lagi na. So, 19 years old. No?
Kamusta pa mo?
Yes, congratulations. So, siya 19,
Thank
ako
you.
20 years old. Pare-pareho rin tag edad, no? Wala na naglagyo.
Gamay religas.
Yes, no? So, gikan juga diri sa City Ida and you
Gikan sa
witness
City
and experience a different, no, event sa division meet. And I think regional meet, nakakuhan po yung...
Ever
Okay.
since grade 7 ko, hantod sa grade 12 ko, si Terra Gapon.
City, loyal yung City.
Loyal
I
yung guys,
know.
City.
Yes.
Sir, hi, City High, guys.
Yes, in connection to that, because we are live right now, there is a Radio City High about the ICAA 2026. So can you please share to us unsa may mga nag-join mo ka from grade 7
Grade
until
7.
senior high school, no? So you experience those
lot.
ups and downs in terms
Yeah,
of this field na to, profession or career. So unsa man imong nag-gain, no? There is a tasa nag-gain about this, joining this kind of activities sa DepEd.
Actually, when I was in grade 7, ang sports jud is swimming. So, CTI ko, grade 7 to grade 10, SPS. No? So, special program in sports. So, all of those years nga, grade 7 ko, nag-division meet ko. Then, of course, there's a lot of experiences. Dili lang kay sports, but you also makatun ka sa akong pagdisiplina. Yung
Yes,
galingon.
discipline importante, yes.
Dagdagan kay mga katunan dili lang sa sports. Pagka grade 8 na ako, just the same. Wala ko na regional grade 7, grade 8 ko kas hinahinay pa jud kung ginatong atong panahon natin. Dagan pa kay seniors ano. Wala
Yes,
pa
yes,
kay
oh.
opportunity ma-expose. So pag timing grade 8 division meet 11 ko sa ranking, wa jud ko nadala. So marag naluya ko gamay. So pag third year dito man timing ang COVID.
Okay, so
na-stop.
na-stop siya.
Na-stop ang ICAA division meet. So, pag-stop sa grade 9, grade 10, marag walay kay mga minus ang mga mga sports. Kasi
Sports,
syempre,
but
lockdown.
still training, ga-train gyapon ka at the time.
Wala na training kay lockdown ang pool.
Okay,
Wala
yes,
jud
yes,
kayo.
for the how
So,
many months?
Back to zero na dyan siya tanan. And then, pagka grade 11, naibalik to eskwela na probably 2023, 2022 ba ang pagbalik eskwela? I'm not really sure And then, moto, nagbalik kog swimming, ning chat ko sa mga maestra nga pwede pa ba ako makapil?
Mo-join, yes.
Pwede wa ko man nasango sa kalendaryo.
Sa edad.
Oo, nasango.
Sa qualification standard.
Pasok
Oh,
pa
yes.
gyapon. So moto ato nga time murag kaingon ko nga ako apod tong panahon kay second overall ranking ko sa swimming men's sa secondary and then Laos and then sa regional.
Okay. I think ang katong gi-join na ni mga regional katutong sa Tanggob, sakto ba? Dili.
Dili, Kamigin na to nga tayo.
Kamigin na. After to Tanggob, no, Kamigin na. Okay.
Kamigin.
Because I witnessed you, I think, when I was a technical officiating official sa swimming. So, ikaw tong one of the highlights athletes na swimming sa CTI.
Sa Lagma.
Yes, yes.
Sa Lagma. Probably what year do siya, sir? Mga naka-technical ka itong taon na pa dyan.
Basta, after that one is Lanao, 2019-18.
Mga nana nga time.
Moto.
Moto.
Not sure. Sa mga inana lagi.
Mga nana nga year.
Oh, yes, yes.
So, moto ito nga time, grade 11, hantod grade 12 na. Actually, maglisod ko, training kay dili man sports track ko.
Okay. So,
Kuhan ko academic track.
so di ka sa track sa sports.
dili
Oh.
sa
So,
sports.
challenging kayo siya, no?
Challenging kayo.
Academically, no?
Challenging
Yes.
kayo. Magkapas pa ka sa homeworks. Then after sa homeworks, training na po
Training.
ka maghapon. Then kuan karakara pa kag excuse
Yes.
mga katayo excuse letter sa mga maestro.
Then I believe no nga aside from swimming napaka-extra pa gyud nga mga event ato nga time. And you are unsay diri sa city
City
journalist po ka, right?
Journalist
Ah,
ka
okay.
nga time, and then also nagbanda pug ko.
Oh, di ba? Mo
Basta,
talented jud kay ka.
Gisulit na lang kay grade 2.
Lagi no maximize ala
Ikaw na lang.
experiences. So
Sige,
that's good.
kuan. Sa moto, pagka grade 12 na ko, padayon na gapon, which is, ang regionals gapon na nga time kay sa Camiguin gapon. So, nag-part 2 na po sa Camiguin. And then, overall, gabi kalingaw, gabi ang experience. Dagan jug makatanan, dili lang dyan sa sports.
Lagi no. So we believe no. Me personally also we will encourage all our learners no, especially kamo kita gyud tanan that we will join as much possible we will join this one because the self-confidence you know
Yes.
dapat
Grabe
baga gyud tagnaw
Baga
no.
jud na.
The training, the discipline as well no. Mga importante
Disiplina
gyud
jud ang
tanan.
una.
So aside from na so gawas na ta dito sa imo ang sports nga mga kwan. So
Sports activities.
we will share can you please share to us after that one unsay nahitabo sa imo so nag-journalist na ka then I think nag-appeal na ka mga pageantries, di ba? So can you please explain to us unsa mga nahitabo imong timeline?
Timeline. Actually, nag-start jud grade 12 nga time, no?
Grade 12,
so,
okay.
murag, kuan, hectic ito nga schedules, kay dagan kay gapilan. Labi na sa, of course, sa sports, kay priority po na akong sports
Oo.
ato, kay diam jud ko akong
Mas comfortable.
Mas comfortable. Then after sa sports, banda ko, which is nami kuan na to sa una. Last year, kapas ko mana sa mga CTI nga tao nga.
Drum and lyre ba na?
Dili,
Lahi po.
siya, Seasons of Love.
Ah,
Concert siya.
okay,
Concert siya.
okay,
Concert
okay.
sa CTI, so nagatugtog ato. I was the drummer and our
Then singer
name
ba puga mo tagkanta ba ka?
Gamay lang.
Gamay lang. So instruments gid ma, okay.
Instruments na lang ko kay murag
Okay.
tag-om na naman kayo ron kay makanta ko kay
Listen na maulan.
Listen na kayo maulan. Anya after ato na kanang nagadram ko, then way back before pambugod I'm into music. So murag grade 12 nag-start na, then dito na din sulod ng pageantry, which is i-invite po nga Sir Jafer. Actually dili jud ko mo pa na to time, dili jud
So
ko-
no experience sa
No
juga. But
experience.
diri sa city sa school alone lang napaka-experience.
Naanak kaysa, pero murag pinugos na lang gapon.
Yes na lang no.
So, murag,
Oo. So tungod gyud ni Sir Jafer.
Tungod yun ni Sir Jafer.
Sir?
Sala din ni Sir Jafer tanan. Gabi nanawag sa kuha. Dong, apil dong. Ana po ko. Dili jud lagi ka sir kay maulawan ta na.
Maulaw, no?
So mo to, paano lang to ba? Sige na lang antud sa naabot sa point nga. Sige na lang testingan
So
lang nato.
yes na gyud.
So
Sige,
yes. Pag na to, dito na din dagan akong career nga morning karon. So which is thankful gapon kayo ko ato nga time kay ni take jud ko risk, and then during atong grade 12 nga times usa to sa akong mga ladder kumbaga ang agianan kung asa mo dalon karon.
Lagi po no, that's good siya. So
Good
so
experience.
atong balik ko no si tungod yun ni Sir Jafer no
Tungod to ni Sir Jafer, daw nga
nagkuhan
tayo.
gyud siya. So unsa may imong kuan gi karon? Unsa ito mong latest giini mong nadaog o na-join?
Na-join.
National?
Oo. Ay local pa to.
Local pa to.
National.
Okay, so you will be competing national.
Pon,
So
pon.
nanay date wala pa.
Wala pa man.
So still training pa karon. Okay, so we are praying for that no.
Ayun, eh.
So at least nagamit gyud nimo ang imong sports nga skill,
Actually, dako kay siya
discipline.
Dako kay siya kuan sa sports is just it's not just a sports nga papasganay, papaspasay, nadyo diya makita nimo imong nadyo diya makatunan nimo ang personality ba sa pagdala,
Yes, yes.
sa paghihalubilo, ang respeto sa kaugalingon.
Exactly ka na.
Tanan. And advice din ako sa mga high school karon, kanang enjoy niyo yung sports kay dilim good taminte mag high school lang.
Yeah, so
Kay pagka-
nag-limit na time good no.
Nara
As
jud
long as
tayo.
bata pa or kaya pa go.
Sige, go ana then lihay jud ta sa mga mga unnecessary things ng mga bawal nga buhaton.
Yes.
So sports nindot ka na siya nga guys kanang nindot ka siya nga experience yun. Elementary, up to elementary.
Okay, after elementary, so sa high school
Elementary,
gyud ka
high
nag-start
school,
no. So mo gyud na siya. So now see, after sa imong sports na mga
Events.
then karon nag-pageantry
Yeah.
tungod ni Sir Jafer daw no. So now you are competing nationally no. Puhon no.
Puhon.
So we will pray for that. So another input so insa or give you an idea or unsa pa may imong ikahatag sa tuwang makuan na pa ba?
Mga kabataan
Upcoming, yes.
Upcoming mga athletes po.
Yes.
Guys, be confident jud all the time. Kung asam kay kadalon, ayog ka balaka, just salig lang si mong galingon. And then, kung gusto mong ka daog, ayaw sig pangandoy, kundi mag-training o gayo.
Yeah,
And
so-
most of the athletes so good gay, sige lang, kataog ra lagi gani, dili
Lagi,
na
no?
kuha.
Gusto niya makuha din, well, no training, so di pa mayo.
Wala ragad gyapon. So,
Yes.
una, disiplina sa pag-training, sa pagkaon, sa tanan-tanan. So, everything starts in yourself, no?
Yes.
Disiplina sa mga ugalingan.
Yes, grabe juga no. So can you please pakpakan nato na siya. Grabe yung discipline.
Actually,
Hey!
kan gikalit-kalit ning kuan ni sir.
Ambush yung gay, no? Yes.
Ambush yung gayo.
Ana yun na ano diha makita no, diha makita kung unsa gyud kamayo.
Gikan ba kog kuan, gikan kog di ba swimming pool.
Oh, nitanaw ka dito, Ma'am Rapi. Yes,
Chat
yes.
man sa Sir Ali, diri sa kuan dong. Ato bugo abi ko gunsa.
Pero nagdula na, nag-start na sila.
Nag-start na sila kanya pang one.
Okay, so that's it no. So impromptu kayo. So at least na
Impromptu kayo, at least
nakabisita juga diri sa ato ang
Yes, I am very-
diri sa Radio City High update diri sa
Salamat jud ko,
ICAA.
nakabalik pud ko City High karon.
Yeah, so I think gimingaw juga ka sa City High.
Gimingaw kayo na
No?
tanan memories, tanan sinipat sa unang mga high school days.
Okay, so karon pa do kabalo nga di ka sa sports SPA gid nga ko ano?
Oh, sa SPS you go.
SPS.
SPS you
Oh,
go.
SPS. Okay, so no. Thank you so
Thank you,
much
thank you.
sa imong pagbisita Sir Jafer. Salamat daw kayo sa imong kuan.
Thank you.
Oh, pasensya. Okay, so once again, our guest right now, thank you kayo. So, ayaw og sa asawa og laag perminted rin, no? Especially ka Sir Jafer, og sa City High.
City High, Jud, kay
Yes.
Tagagikan.
Yes, indeed. Soar High, City High.
And good luck sa tanan atleta din. Laban.
Laban Iligan, Ligon
Iligan.
Masaligan. Okay, so once again,
Thank you.
thank you so much. Yeah, hey. Oh, yes. Sige, I think napay last two updates for our sa tuang sa Arnes no game number 9 individual event Espada Idaga Elementary Girls. So now we proceed for bronze. We have here North Red Fox. Congratulations to Rizalin player Rizalin Jane Tita Ligaw. Our coach Glenn Lacuna. Congratulations. Na to nawala. And wait sa ha. Murag nawalang ako ang updates. Ito. Game 10. Okay, for game na to. Okay, for game bronze, North Red Fox. Let's proceed for silver. City Central, player Clasha May Ibale, coach Ma'am Maria Edeline, how to pronounce Buwal. Okay, for bronze, gold. For elementary girls, we have District South Thunderhawks, player Sofia Marika A. Mahipos. Walay gibutang diri nga coach. Still congratulations to District South District. Okay, for event number 9. Okay, individual event, elementary girls. Okay, so now that was our update as of 3:14 PM. Sa ato sa taon ko napabay other updates. So I think wala na no. So we will wait. We will give you another updates later no for those online or nasa mabalay sa other schools. Please click Radio City High and amo ihatag sa inyo ang latest updates about and of course the Iligan Volt page. Yes, again Iligan Volt page rather. So just click and open. We will give you some updates no for day 2 nato sa ICAA 2026. Okay, once again, shout out sa taga Maria Cristina National High School. So hi, thank you tanan. And of course to all Iliganons, thank you so much. Once again, thank you so much LGU Iligan for the support no sa Department of Education, Division of Iligan City. Once again, this is Kim Gan, inyong higalang alagaan. God bless us all.